fit. I'm not gonna fit.
You got it. What? Why?
Uh-oh.
It doesn't like being in an envelope.
There's too many keys in the packet.
Why are there so many things?
Because there's a hospitality suite.
Ay, that was annoying.
I got that on video.
We got there. We're there. It is... What time? It's 4:50 a.m.
But technically it's 5:50 because we're now on Central Time. Because we're in
4:50 means I get to sleep a little bit. There's a cool spiky thing. Your bags have arrived. Hello.
So we're in Milwaukee this week, which is actually like a really cool place to wander and walk around. There's a lot of cool buildings and a lot of cool architecture.
There's a lot of good coffee here. We went to 3 different coffee shops, all getting a little bit further away from our hotel. We started off at Canary Coffee, then we went over to Stone Creek Coffee Roaster.
So we are at Stone Creek. I'm really excited to try this place. It looks really delicious on Google.
Their coffee roaster as well as coffee shop. Should be good.
And then
Which I think was my favorite. Like, I liked the vibe. We were there for a couple hours on Wednesday.
they offer coffee classes and espresso classes and roasting and grinding and all sorts of stuff, but there weren't any available while we were here. I think it would have been a cool thing to have gone and done at a roaster, but something for future reference. If you are coming here and interested in that kind of thing, look ahead and you might be able to book like a class if you're interested in that.
Well, we're switching rooms. Can you guess why? The view is cool though. It's just too bad the construction is non-stop. I want to try it. Can I just taste it? Oh.
We also went over to the public market and grabbed lunch for one of the days.
So good.
Delicious.
So good.
We shared a pulled pork sandwich, and I think we both wished we got our own because it was like a smoked pulled pork. It was amazing.
And we got cookies and smoothies. Yeah, it was cool. There was a lot of different like little places within the market. And then there was a seafood place in there that friends of ours said was really, really good as well. So the market is a thumbs up.
Yeah, overall, Milwaukee was really cool.
We're on our way to one more coffee shop. Do you remember what this one's called? Likewise, that sounds right. And we're going through East Town, Milwaukee. Oh, Taylor found a bird. Cool. Yeah, so we go to work this afternoon, but we're gonna go for one more coffee this morning and hang out a little bit before we have to go into work.
I walked around a lot, went down to the waterfront, down to the art gallery and art museum. I think it's an art museum. It, again, wasn't open when I had an opportunity to go into it, so I walked around the outside.
You got some photos?
Yeah, I'll throw some photos up so you guys can take a look at that building because it was really interesting. Cool architecture right on Lake Michigan.
Yeah, now we're at work. But the venue is really nice.
The brand new Milwaukee Bucks Arena.
Yeah.
Super nice.
Could live there. I'd be okay about it. Yeah.
We can't really show you much of that, but like we can just, it's really nice. We've gone through a lot of different venues around the world. This is like a brand new, super nice high-end building. So yeah, it's
They
like
have marble countertops in the
there's Sub-Zero fridges and marble countertops and massage tables in every room. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, I know where I'll be napping tomorrow. But
Anyways, thanks for watching again this week. We hope that this little series of like travel videos is entertaining. Please leave a comment if you have anything you want to see more of or see less of, or just like anything that, I don't know.
yeah, and we're trying our best to include all the links of places we went in the comment section.
Or at least like the Google Maps link or something like that. Thanks for watching our week in Milwaukee. We are off to, I hate this game. Where are we
Sioux
going?
City.
Sioux City.
Iowa. We have another 8-hour bus ride
Something like that, yeah.
on Sunday night.
All right, that's enough of us talking.
We'll take you on our next little bit to Sioux City, Iowa.
Thanks for watching. See ya.